Hi folks, and welcome to another walk and talk video with me, Lawrence Mann, Lawrence Can Draw. And basically today I wanted to cover the rise of mobile phones for artists, designers and creatives like you and me. So for a long time in terms of mobile phones, we've only had the Samsung Galaxy Note. I've got a playlist with 24 plus, maybe growing, videos on the Samsung Note. Yes, great phone, love it. Didn't bother with the 9 because it's basically the same as Samsung Galaxy 8, and the 10 haven't tried, had a quick play with, but yes, didn't bother to upgrade to the 10 either, even though the camera on it is good. Now, if you like the Samsung Galaxy experience as I do, you know, you're kind of stuck with that as being the only phone for artists. Why? Because it has a stylus, and that's what we kind of crave. Now, in terms of Android, there's only really a few apps that you like, and I get comments on my videos all the time saying, what app are you using? Even though I write it on the video now and in the blurb, etc, etc. So what is this video about, other than me talking like I described in my first video? Yes, the rise of phones for artists, creatives. We are getting the Huawei Mate 20X with stylus. Yeah, that looks exciting. But we're also getting the Microsoft Neo with stylus as well. This is 2 new phones for us as artists with styluses. How good are those styluses on the Huawei and the Microsoft? Don't know. Well, we know one of them is the Microsoft Pen. So it's 4,000 levels of pressure, etc, etc. Huawei actually have quite a lot of experience with pens, styluses, and I have tried, I haven't reviewed, but I have tried their pens. No, they're okay. You know, not top of the range, they don't really build for artists. But yes, so I think we're okay. They're not Wacom technology like the Samsung, but we might be off to a good start. Now, I've messaged loads of people at Huawei. Can't seem to get a response. Microsoft, will they talk to me? Maybe. You never know. If you're listening to this, anyone from Huawei or Microsoft, yeah, it'd be nice to chat to you. So, yeah, fingers crossed. I would love to chat to you. You know, give me a call. So, I'm thinking this is 3 devices rather than 1. And the one thing I always say when it comes to technology is that competition breeds innovation. The Samsung Galaxy Note, we haven't really had too much competition. We haven't really had too much innovation, therefore. So maybe it would be great now to see innovation stepping up. The Microsoft Neo, I hope I'm getting that name right, I hope it's not the Duo, but yes, the Surface phone, let's just call it that, is a lot different to, say, the Galaxy Note. Because of that, I think we're going to get something very unique. You know, the Galaxy have the Fold, which is more the competition in their mind, I suppose, to the Microsoft phone. But, you know, in my mind, for creatives, Microsoft have the stylus on their phone, so for creatives it's better. Huawei is more like the Galaxy with the stylus, even though the stylus is sold separately. I think all three phones are different, but for creatives, we get the stylus so we can draw. All three are Android, so you're going to be using the same programs. But there's a bonus right there, because it means it encourages developers to develop Android apps in which we can create art. Yes. If you're listening and you're an Android developer, get off your tushy and create us some Android drawing apps. Because right now, in about a year's time, when you could bring out that Android app, you're going to be making some money. How's that sound to you? You've got a year to develop some decent art applications. First one to get there makes all the money. Yeah. Because let's face it, the art apps that are there, pretty good, one or two. You know, I'm thinking Infinite Painter is the best one out there. I did a couple of videos on art applications. I've got those 24 videos for the Samsung Galaxy Note, in which a lot of people leave comments about their favourite apps. Infinite Painter is the clear winner. So yes, you have a year to develop the best app. In this video, if you want to link below to your favourite app, well, not link, but just put in the comments which is your favourite app. Links tend to get deleted by YouTube on my channel because, you know, people put in a lot of dodgy links. But yes, tell me which your favourite app is. Tell me what features you'd like in an app on your phone. You know, if you've got a phone with a stylus. That would be great. I'd love to hear that. For me personally, you know, I basically want, you know, Photoshop on Android. For other tablets, you know, obviously in the Microsoft Showcase, we got to see that, you know, Photoshop are doing their smaller version on mobile devices. You know, iPad Pro users have been going on for a while that, oh, they're getting Photoshop. And it's not the full version, but it's the cut down version. They're getting it and they're very happy. You know, Windows tablet users are getting it too. So, yes. We'd like to see something like that on Android. And if you're a mobile developer, go nuts, bring us something like that on Android. We'd all be happy. Right, for me, that's about as far as I want to take it on this video. I'll see you all later. Have a wonderful day. Ciao for now. And keep being creative. Bye-bye.